Hi all. So in this video we will discuss about break and continue statements, right? Um, so first of all we will go through this for loop. So you can see that the x is equal 0 to x is less than 5 with increment, right? So now you know that it should print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 values, right? We'll see. So I run this program. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are getting printed, right? So then we will check that break condition, right? So I put a if here. So if x value is equal to, then I ask this program to break this loop, right? Okay, so break this loop. I will just run this. So you can see that 0 and 1 are the only values are printed. If the x is equal to 2, then it will break whole for loop, right? So now what I do is instead of break I put continue statement, continue keyword. So then I run the program. So now you can see that 0, 1, 3 and 4 are printed but 2 is missing, right? That means now you can understand the difference between break and continue statements, right? If you put a break keyword, then break keyword break the whole loop, right? So if you put continue statement or continue keyword, right, then it will break only current iteration of the loop, right? So that's the difference between break and continue.